Former Norton legislator Temba Muliswa has been arrested by a team of armed Chinoi police officers from the Zimbabwe Republic Police Law and Order Section. Tisarabira mashoko okuda panguva zvinzi aiwa Muliswa oarestiwa pamusana pekuexposa zvikananda. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. The outspoken politician announced his arrest on Sunday afternoon via his ex, formerly Twitter, account, claiming the operation was linked to his recent allegations of corruption involving high-ranking officials in Mashonaland West. Breaking news: today I was arrested by the formidable contingent of 12 armed law and order officers on the ZRP in Chinoi, all orchestrated by the officer commanding Marsh West, Commissioner Taone Nyazema, who is clearly scurrying around to clean his criminal trail, Muliswa posted. Muliswa alleges his arrest stems from a series of tweets in which he accused both Commissioner Nyazema and the Mashonaland West Minister of State for Provincial Affairs, Marian Chombo, of being part of a clandestine criminal cartel involving illegal Chinese mining operations in the Sanyati area. Police spokesperson Nyati could not be reached for comments. More details to follow as the story develops. Ndomashikwana muda panguva ino pamusana pekuarestiwa kwaMuliswa. Panapa vanhu vanouya vachitaura zvakasiyana-siyana, vamwewo vachiti aiwa ukaexposa zvigananda aiwa don't expect kuti unosurvivor. Vamwe vanobuda vachiti aiwa Muliswa agara ari copy the regime. Panguva inoi anongouya achingoarestiwa for some hours obva releasiwa zvake. Muridzai mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Ndipopai pano kuti tiudzei mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Pinai comment section yenyu kuti mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.